How to fix TikTok FYP or the For You page. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from Solution Guide, and in this guide video I will simply show you how you can fix the FYP or the For You page recommendations on TikTok. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first thing first, simply make sure you have either downloaded or updated the TikTok app to the latest version. You can do this by heading over to your app store, in the search box typing in TikTok. Go ahead and simply either download or update the TikTok app to the latest version. Once you've updated TikTok, what you want to do is you want to simply go ahead and then open TikTok. The next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. Now let's say over time you actually have these two options, which is the following page, which you want to see only of people you actually follow, and the other you have is of the For You page, which is basically a recommendation. For example, if I have to go ahead and then show you the ones right over here, it will give you basically some of the recommended shows, recommended videos and footage based on your interests and so on. So in order to fix this, there are a couple of ways. The first thing is, let's say you don't want some of the videos and some categorized videos to be recommended on your feed or your For You page. Well, in that case, what you could do is you could actually go ahead and simply mark this as not interested. So you could go ahead and then over here you can see not interested, and TikTok will actually stop you from recommending all of these contents and slower things in the future, and it will not recommend you such type of general things. The other thing what I would recommend you do is, if you have a search history, you also want to clear your search history all over here. So go ahead and tap on the clear all button, which you see. As you tap on clear all, tap on clear search history button, and that would most likely help fix your FYP. The other thing you could do is also simply try to change your region. For example, if you have a VPN service, if you're using on Android or iOS, you have a bunch of VPN services out there which will help you change your IP address and use it. There are a bunch of free applications as well. Use any one. Some of the popular ones: Tomato VPN, Turbo VPNs, Alpha VPNs, and so on. But hopefully this video answered your question. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.